January can sometimes feel like a big push, but today I wanted to take a little bit of a pause, a quieter ride, sharp air, and everything just feeling a bit more deliberate. The morning wasn't about distance or pace. I just got out early and let the day start slowly. A steady ride, sunlight cutting through the trees, and just taking it easy. I stopped in the woods to make coffee and cook some breakfast. Nothing fancy, just warm food, hot drinks, and a bit of time to breathe. This is my kind of reset, moving the body, warming up from the inside, and starting the year feeling grounded rather than rushed. So here we go, a winter reset, sunrise alfresco breakfast dining. Here we go. Good morning everybody. First light and I'm out the door. It's got to be about just after 7ish, I think, 7:30. Anyway, I am riding to some woods nearby. We're gonna have a spot of breakfast, you know, little breakfast date. Here we go. Been eyeing up these woods for a short time, just for a little camp out or cook or stuff. But yeah, today seems a good day because it's a beautiful clear sky. Can't see the sun yet. Woo. So we aren't going far, but we do have to ride up a big hill. So I shall be granny gearing up there. Making this look hard work today. So, coffee is on, we sit and we relax. Still no sign of the sun yet, and the reason is there's some quite low level cloud, so it should come up over that cloud, and then I'm hoping that I get some nice sunlight coming through the woodland. Lovely and relaxing here. I've just seen a deer. Oh yes. Just a bit of winter forest bathing. I love to watch the Trangia flame, but I am going to put my little windshield around just to keep it efficient. Otherwise this girl's never going to get a coffee. It would have been so easy to have stayed in bed today. I like my bed, you know, I love adventures, but I have a really cozy bed, and I've got a super cozy nighttime routine. I go to bed at 8 o'clock, I put my electric blanket on. I always sleep with the window open because I just get a better night's sleep personally. I read for about an hour, and then I have a sunset alarm clock and I put that on, and it does like nice sunset lighting, and it's super cozy, and by like 9:30 I probably go to sleep. I am a morning person, I like being up and out in the morning, but I do like my bed, and sometimes it can be a challenge getting out. So listening to the birds, the wind. It's like another micro adventure. I know I keep talking about these micro adventures, but they're kind of keeping me sane in winter, you know, like just helping me get out, do small things, but whilst maintaining a 9 till 5. And unfortunately, yes, I do have to have a 9 till 5 at the moment. I mean, yeah, it's just life, isn't it? So we're a bit on the wonk, but it's doing the job. I wouldn't usually bring that coffee pot on bike packing adventures, it's a bit big. Hence I usually do my little coffee bag thing. But I am looking into lightweight coffee solutions, AeroPress, which is quite good, so that could be an option. Not too bulky and still quite light. We're not bringing the steel coffee grinder. I don't have a coffee grinder, but hey. So yes. That magical sound as the coffee gets pushed up into the top, ready to be dispelled into my cup. Cheers, guys. That's good. Now we've got some sausages cooking, we've got breakfast as well. Sun's coming up. Just lowered the heat a little bit. I'm cooking a bit too fast. Time for a little wander. Sometimes when I just need a little bit of peace and life just feels a bit too hectic and crazy, I come down here. I always really like it. Just time in woodland. Any woods if you've got woods nearby you, but these are lots of nice old trees. Especially nice when you can see the light coming through, so the sunrise, and that's what I was aiming for. Living the dream. We are rich. Breakfast is served. Alfresco. Pretty good. And there is that sunrise I was hoping for through the woods. Little moments, outdoor coffee, sunrises, listening to the birds, being in the woodland. All of those things. Might have to come and do another little cookout here. Although the thing with this time of year, soon gets chilly when you're not moving around, so I think I might get packed up and get myself home. It's probably not even 9 o'clock yet, so way to start day. Right, let's get some kit away. Most enjoyable. Right, I'm gonna get myself back on the road then. Literally and metaphorically. Sucker for a sunrise. That'll get me out of bed every time. An early morning winter reset. Absolutely magnificent. It's a lovely time of day, morning. Another nice relaxing spot down here, and it's hard to think that actually it wasn't that long ago, like a couple of months ago, that there was hardly any water in this reservoir, and now it's full once again. Quite liking this working 4 days thing. And this is the reason why I've done it, just to free up that bit of time just to be outside and do what I need to do. And even in winter, especially in winter reset. That is what this is all about in those cold January months. But a day like this, so lucky. Well, that thundering water noise was, but it's the water coming off the reservoir under, and then it feeds into the brook there. Yeah, it's the brook, not the canal. Interesting. I've been here before, but I've never heard it like that. Obviously not a reflection, something I've just thought of just now, but cycling to me used to always be about the miles, the speed, the distance. And now it's just the getting out. I mean, I like doing the miles, I like doing the speed, but I'm not committed enough to actually achieving it anymore. This sun is glorious. So lucky. And that is the end of my video. Thank you so much for joining me for a winter sunrise alfresco breakfast experience. I encourage you to go out and do the same, and otherwise stay safe, stay happy, keep cycling, and I'll see you next time.